Adam, start there. Select the $9 cup. Yeah. And then let's see what we have to do now. Then it says that you can choose 5 flavors. So do you want to choose 5 flavors?
Yeah.
Let's see. Choose. Okay. So do you want to do this one right here?
Yeah.
Select it. All right. Now let's put your money in here. Oh, there you go. Okay. And then we're going to push pay. And then put your money in, Odom. Push cash. You're doing better than me, Ma. Okay, now put your money in. Oh, look.
Hey, what's that?
Yeah, they're coming out. Look.
There's yellow. There's yellow.
Oh, look. Oh. Okay, show it to me. Is that cool?